Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Alen's back with a handsome short beard boy, easily and step by step for beginners. Guys, it's not difficult to draw. For face monument you have to use 2 HB pencil, and for face outlinings you have to use 2B. And for making the hair dark and attractive, I use charcoal pencil in this video. For blending I use tissue paper, cotton buds and blending stamps. However, you can also use paint brushes instead of blending stamps or these blenders. And guys, if you want to draw any art you like, so you can just text me in comment section, and if it was possible for me to draw, so I'll draw it for you. And guys, if you really like my art, so it's my request to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so you can receive new art videos and shorts from my channel. And if you have any problem in drawing, so you can just text me in comment section and I'll help you there.